Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah wa ala hali wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Assalamu alaykum warahmatullah wabarakatuh. We welcome you back to Halal training and coaching program, and we ask Allah to bless our efforts. So one of the last videos, I showed you how to copy the resources. This is the appointment setting agency, the resources. If you want to copy this, if you click on the link to resources in the description of the video, it's going to take you to this page where we listed all the niches we have and the resources for each of them. So this dental care, assisted living, carpentry, chiropractor, eye care, fitness coach, gyms, HVAC, and like that. So let's assume I want to target plumber. I want to choose this one as my niche. So I will highlight the link, I will copy it. But before you do this, make sure you sign into your sub account. You can see I've signed into one particular sub account from the sub account we have. And this is it here. And when you sign in, make sure you sign in through the link app.goilevel.com. So when you go to app.goilevel.com, so you are going to enter your email and your password and you sign in. Don't use that one of community.halaldollars.website. Don't use that one. It might not work for you if you want to copy this particular link. Alright, so after copying this link, then I will go to new tab and paste it. I will click on paste and go. So you can see copy Sadu Prime Plumber. You click on add website. So I will delete this copy. I don't want the word copy to be there. So the location, I will choose my sub account that I already have. It's going to show the name of your own sub account. Then you click on clone website. You can see website cloned. You can see it now. If you come to site and you come to website, you're going to see it here, Sadu Prime Plumber. So if you click on it like this to open it, then you can click on this one to view it. You can see how it is. So when you are here, when you click on book meeting, there should be a form there, but the form is not there. Unable to find form. So after copying your website like this, what you should do is that you should message us in the support group that you have already copied your website, that you need the form. We are going to log into the back end from the agency account. So we are going to go to forms. So when we are here at the form, so I will locate the form here and I will share the form with you. For example, this is the form Sadu Prime call booking info. So I'll click on these 3 dots. One of our team members is going to click on the dots, is going to click on share. You're going to type the name of your sub account here. And for that particular one, the name of the sub account is Sadu Prime Agency, this one. And I click on confirm. So the form will be shared with you. So once you come here, you just go to forms. You'll have seen it here. The form will be here because it has been shared with you. You can see the 3 forms here. The 3 forms I have here already because they have been shared with me. So this is it. If I should go back and share another form, let me just share this one so that you can see this opt-in form. If I click on it, I click on share. I want to share with Sadu Prime Agency. I click on confirm. So if I should come here and refresh or something like that, maybe let me click here and click here again. You can see another one has already been copied. You can see November 4th. This is when I'm recording this video. So that's why we're going to share it with you. So after sharing it with you and you find it here, you come to a website here, you go to your Sadu Prime Plumber. Here you click edit in new tab. So when it opens like this, just go to pop-up. You click on pop-up. So when you click on pop-up here, you click on, you do not have any form yet, click on that particular thing. When you click on it, you come down. You can see these are the forms I have. So I will select this Sadu Prime call booking info. So when you click it, you can see it has shown here. So you just save. So it has saved. So you can preview it and let's see. So this is it now. So let me click on book a meeting now. You can see the pop-up was shown. So the person will enter the name and the email address. Book a meeting. So everything is working fine now. So this is how to do it. So once you copy the website, your particular niche, from this place, just message us and tell us the name of your sub account. So we are going to log into the backend and share the phone with you. There's no other way we can do it except that. We ask Almighty Allah to make it easy for us. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah wabarakatuh.